good time.
It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time.
Okay, this is David's rocket out there from El Dorado Hills. Name of the rocket is Wild Thing Extreme. It's an 8-foot 3-inch rocket, 4 inches in diameter. It's blue, 26 pounds. It's a heavy rocket, folks. It's made by Aerotech. It's an L900, and Surefly igniters are in it. It's the first perfect flight. Can't pronounce that name. Anyway, it's the second high altimeter 45. Altimeter reading, he's hoping to be is 9,000 feet. And if he's ready, we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, he really did go.
Going out to the high power pad, pad 15. David Robb from El Dorado Hills. Got a Wildman dual deploy, 6 foot tall, 3-inch diameter. Aerotech K513 is the motor. Dual deployment with a perfect flight stratologger. Estimated altitude 6,000 feet. Pad 15. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Oh yeah. Nice and straight.
Nice and straight.
All right, pad number 15 is David Robb's Wildman Vindicator. It is flying on an Aerotech K550, flying a perfect flight stratologger for dual deployment.
Hold on, guys.
Expected maybe
Quick,
6,000
run.
feet. And that rocket is going in. Here, buddy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pad 15. Pad 15 is David Robb from El Dorado Hills. This is Black Wolf. This is his dual deploy 2-stage. This is going on an Aerotech I-357 to an I-357. This has electronics on it. This is going to be an awesome flight.
It works.
We have continuity. Pad 15 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First part's good. Come on, there we go. We got to shoot on the booster. That's the way you like to see it. It's,
It's still going.
I have lost track. There it is. We got the both parts are under the chute. Very nice.